Welcome back to Gizmo Zone YT, where we help you find gifts for those hard to shop for people in your life. Crocheters love to crochet, but they also love unique gifts that will help them take their craft to the next level. If you're looking for a truly special gift for the woman in your life who loves to crochet, be sure to stick around for the best gift at the end of this list. Crochet Project Bag. Every crocheter needs a place to store their current project and all of their supplies. A crochet project bag is a great way to keep everything organized and easy to find. Look for a bag that is spacious enough to hold all of her supplies, but also portable so she can take it with her wherever she goes. Ergonomic crochet hooks. Crocheting can be hard on the hands, especially if you crochet for long periods of time. Ergonomic crochet hooks can help to reduce hand fatigue and make crocheting more comfortable. Look for hooks that are made from lightweight materials and have comfortable grips. Yarn bowl. A yarn bowl is a great way to keep yarn from getting tangled and to prevent it from rolling away. Yarn bowls come in all shapes and sizes, so you can find one that is perfect for her style and needs. Stitch markers. Stitch markers are small clips that are used to keep track of your place in a crochet pattern. They are essential for any crocheter, especially those who work on complex patterns. Look for stitch markers that are brightly colored and easy to see. Yarn swift and ball winder. If she loves to crochet with bulky yarn, a yarn swift and ball winder are essential tools. These tools make it easy to wind yarn into skeins or balls, which makes it much easier to crochet with. Crochet pattern book or magazine. Crocheters are always looking for new patterns to try. A crochet pattern book or magazine is a great way to give her new ideas for her next project. Look for a book or magazine that features a variety of patterns, including different skill levels and styles. Gift certificate to a yarn store. If you're not sure what to get her, a gift certificate to a yarn store is always a safe bet. This way, she can choose her own yarn and supplies, and you can be sure that she'll get something she really wants. Crochet classes. If she's interested in learning new crochet skills, crochet classes are a great gift. Classes can teach her new techniques, patterns, and even how to design her own patterns. Crochet subscription box. There are now a number of crochet subscription boxes available. These boxes deliver yarn, supplies, and patterns to her door on a monthly basis. This is a great way for her to try new yarns and patterns without having to leave her home. Crochet retreat. If you're really looking to spoil her, consider giving her a crochet retreat. Crochet retreats are weekend events where crocheters can come together to crochet, learn new skills, and socialize with other crocheters. This is the perfect gift for the crocheter who loves to learn and grow. Stick around for the last gift on this list, as it is the truly best gift you can give a woman who loves to crochet. Drumroll, please. The best gift you can give a woman who loves to crochet is your support. Let her know that you appreciate her hobby and that you're there for her. Encourage her to crochet and to share her creations with others. The best gifts are the ones that come from the heart. Subscribe for more ideas on the best gifts to give those people in your life that are hard to shop for. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon.